Hey there, guys. Welcome back to Couple Compass. And today, we're diving into the magical realm of It Takes Two.
That's right. Developed by Hayes Light Studios, this game is all about teamwork, puzzles, and bonding with your gaming partner.
And let me tell you, it's an absolute blast. From the moment you start playing, you're sucked into a whirlwind adventure with Cody and May, a couple on the verge of divorce, turned into tiny dolls by their daughter's tears.
The storyline is refreshingly unique, blending heartfelt moments with comedic charm. Hear me out. You'll laugh, you'll cry, you'll definitely cheer on these two as they navigate through the miniature world.
How do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Give me some space. I need to think.
And speaking of the world, wow, the level design is out of this world.
It's also a bit of a winter wonderland bobsled sort of.
From whimsical garden to a clock tower filled with gears, every environment is a work of art.
You know? Oh, wait. Did I mention the big explosion? Hold it right there. Look at this.
And let's not forget about the gameplay mechanics. Whether you're swinging from hooks, piloting a pair of squirrels, or controlling a crazy magnet, each challenge feels fresh and exciting.
Stuck.
And what really sets It Takes Two apart is its co-op gameplay. You have to work together to solve puzzles and overcome obstacles, fostering communication and cooperation.
It was a spell, I am telling you.
If it is a spell,
This is a story of collaboration.
It's like a relationship boot camp in the best possible way. You will learn to trust each other, communicate effectively, and most importantly, have a ton of fun along the way.
Plus, the game is filled with mini games and challenges that keep you on your toes. From competitive dart matches to exhilarating snowball fights, there's never a dull moment.
Hey, and let's not forget about the characters. From the quirky Dr. Hakim to the hilarious Book of Love. Each character adds depth and personality to this game.
Absolutely. And the voice acting is top-notch, bringing these characters to life in a way that's both entertaining and endearing.
So, what's our final verdict on It Takes Two?
Drumroll, please. It's a must-play for any couple looking to strengthen their bond and have a blast while doing it.
okay?
Now, go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go?
So grab your partner, fire up that console, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. We would both like to thank you all for tuning in. And remember,
Manifest your destination.